Megan, and we're making a documentary, and we're going over there. Do you see the tower? Yeah, probably not, because it's way over there. Well, we'll get back to you in a little bit. Bye.
What the hell is a gamma?
Megan's shoe. That is all that remains.
I just got it back. So, we're going through trees right now. Lots of trees. There's Amy and Ben. Yeah, it's getting dark now. And slippery, and I lost my shoe in the mud. That was great. And there's lots of trees. Okay, we'll get back in a little bit. We gotta get through these trees. Bye. Now I fence. Amy is trying to get through the fence. It's my turn. It's her butt. Wow. Rule number 1. When you walk away from a group, you will never come back. Did you hear that?
Oh my God, what was that?
That is the curse of the death. He's purple. And I'm kind of scared. Hey, we're walking. We don't really know what's gonna be ahead of us. What is that? Okay, so it's Tori, Ben, shine the light on yourself, and myself. And we're the only ones left. So, I'm so scared. Yeah. We just found Amy's hoodie. And it's on a barbed wire fence. His shoes, my keys, and his t-shirt. It's the last of me. Where's Cody? I don't know.
When troubles come and my heart burden beats,
It's okay, Amy.
then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. When I am on your shoulders, you raise me up shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me